It starts with a blank cake. Just layers, waiting. But in the hands of a passionate creator, it becomes something powerful. Every frosting line, every carefully placed detail, it's more than design. It's devotion. It's discipline. It's a daily choice to turn creativity into something that speaks. The outside world may not see the hours it took, the failed trials, the small wins, the quiet nights filled with practice. But it's all there, in the smoothness of that finish, the confidence in that swirl. Cake decorating isn't just an art, it's an act of courage. Because with every creation, a message is sent. I'm not just making dessert. I'm building something meaningful. So the next time someone sees a cake and smiles, let them know. Behind every sweet moment is a serious journey of skill, love, and unstoppable spirit. Enjoyed the cake design? Like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more sweet and fun baking videos.